Alright, I'm working on this scooter. This is a 2012 Tao, and the owner was complaining that it was very hard to start, even though they put a brand new battery in it and it's fully charged. And even kick-starting it, it was very hard to turn over. And when it did turn over and finally fired up, the motor sounded like it was lugging really bad, and it would hardly move at all. So I got looking at it. I took the cover off, and it turns out that the front variator had a problem, which I've got it up on the bench, and I'll show you in a minute what happened. And it was pretty easy to figure out what was going on with it. Here's the front variator, which this part's all okay. However, the rollers are complete junk. This one has lost all of the coating on the outside. This one's broke and was worn out. There's another one broke and worn out. Here's another one. This one's almost there. Anyway, these were stuck in here, and it was keeping the variator pushed on, which of course had tension on the drive belt, which was what was causing it to pretty much lock up and not want to move. So I got online and I found some of these. They're like $6 for new ones, but I found a complete kit that has a new pulleys and all this stuff, and a new bushing and new rollers. All this for like $12. So I got that ordered, and I'm waiting for that to come in so that I can get this fixed and put back together and back up and running. The kit that I bought did not come with this. However, this is okay. I'm going to sand it down and get it nice and shiny again. The teeth on it are all good. There's nothing wrong with this. So, and here's the inside of the casing, which it's all covered in greasy gunk and stuff. That'll all get cleaned up before it put back on. But the Kickstarter part, it all works fine. It was this here is what the problem was. So we'll get that fixed once the parts come in, and we'll continue on with fixing this.